Alright, here's a friendly tip. Very important for any XJ40 owner to go ahead and check this out. During the summer, I had a bad leak coming from right up here at the seam where the blower motor is. It was a pretty bad leak when it was raining. The reason why is because behind this area right here, this corner, you peel back the rug. Oh, actually, I'll do it right now for you, just so you can see. And right there, you see this little drain spout. That drain spout, over the course of a couple years, will start to clog up. Won't let the water drain out. It'll start to accumulate up here. I'm gonna show you a video now of how much water my XJ40 had accumulated to the point where this was getting drenched. So, easy fix, cheap repair. Wow.
Sigue cayendo.
See, it's still coming. Wow.